Hello guys, welcome back to Creative Process DIY. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the temperature on your hot water heater. Turn off the power to the heater. Most electric water heaters will have two thermostats, one upper and one lower, under the two control panels. Some smaller units may only have one thermostat. If your heater has been insulated, you may need to remove the insulation to access the thermostat. Pull the wire and lift the insulation. Before adjusting the temperature, I want you to read a manufacturer information regarding water temperature and time to produce serious burns on adult skin. After you read this information, now you can adjust temperature on the thermostat. The best temperature setting for a hot water heater is between 120 and 140 degrees. Above 140 degrees, the water is so hot that you and family members can be at risk for scalding in as little as 2 seconds. Once you adjusted the temperature, now put the insulation back in place and lock it with a wire. Install the access panel and secure it with a screw. Adjust both thermostats to the same temperature setting. To avoid a shortage of usable hot water, do not adjust the upper thermostat to a temperature setting that is higher than the lower thermostat's temperature setting. Fold the insulation back in place and lock it with a wire. Replace the access panel. Wait for the water to heat up. It may take several hours for a tank of cold water to heat up. Before adjusting the temperature, my 10p relief valve was warm. Now just in 15 minutes it's getting hotter, and it's a really good sign. And this is it guys. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.